your girl Nika J, back with another video, and today we're going to be doing faux locks, fox locks, however you want to pronounce it. But here I'm going to demonstrate how I do them. I'm just putting on some Shine Gem right here, just to get it nice and slick and smooth at the root, you know, because we don't want them to look old just yet when we just put them in, even though they look better when, you know, they get older. In the head, it looks way more better. It looks more natural. But anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and add in braiding hair. I added braiding hair because I want the thickness of it. I've seen other people do it different ways, but this is my preference. So I'm just going to go ahead and add the braiding hair. I'm not going to braid down all the way, so probably a little bit, like an inch or two after my actual hair. All right, so I'll be back when I get to the next part. Alright, so now that you have your braids braided down, it's time to grab the wrapping hair and your crochet. So you're going to put your crochet at the base, the root, the beginning of the braid. You're going to grab your hair and hook it and slide it through. Make sure you close that hook. Like so. Slide it through, slide it through. All right, and you're gonna make one piece shorter than the other. Put the short piece with the braid and start wrapping. Now, the problem I had is I was wrapping too tight, like entirely too tight. And I ain't gonna lie, I had got a headache, and I was just like, I can't wait for these 3 days to be over with, because after like 3 days, when you first get a hairstyle like braids or sewing, it starts to like stop hurting after 3 days. But man, this took longer than 3 days. But anyway, so you're gonna just keep wrapping to make sure that the base is covered. And then when you get about an inch, you want to put your finger on it, under it, and then make a loop. And when you make that loop, you'll let go and keep wrapping like so. So I put my finger, made the loop, let go, and then wrap. So the plan was to wrap like 2 or 3 times, make the loop 2 or 3 times. That's kind of what I did. But you want it messy. You don't want it perfect anyway, because that's the look that you're going for. So just keep wrapping and making that little loop with your finger, and I'll be back. So when you get towards the end, you want to make sure that the hair is still flat and that it's not like one strand or the strands are combined. You still want to keep it flat. The flat, the better. And then once you start running out of hair, you want to wrap it going upward until you run out of hair all the way completely. I wanted mine's pretty long, so I'm going to go ahead and get some more wrapping hair and continue to add it just like I did the top. Now, sometimes when I put my finger under to make the loop, it goes back smooth and it goes away. You can always grab a toothpick or needle and pull it out a little bit more to help you to get that look you want. So again, I'm running out of hair. Once I get closer to the end, I start wrapping upward to give it a sealed, type of feel. And then, like I said, I wanted mine super long, so I'm going to go ahead and grab another piece, add it, and then continue to wrapping like so. All right, so I'm going to head and jump on out for a second and let you guys just watch this, and I'll be back once I get to the bottom and show you guys how I do it and explain it. All right, so I'm definitely lame for this. I thought I showed the ending of how I sealed it, but no worries. I showed the ending on the next braid. So just go ahead and continue watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, comment, like, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment me and let me know, and I'll be glad to answer whatever confusion or questions you guys have. So I'm going to go ahead and jump back off and let you guys just sit here and watch, and I'll jump back in towards the ending. It was at this moment I realized the camera was not where I needed to be. But all I did was take the last piece, the ending piece, and pinched it at the bottom and then start wrapping upward. And then once I ran out, I took my hand and rubbed them together to make sure it's sealed. And that was it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll be coming with another video. Every Tuesdays and Thursdays, there will be a new video. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.